quite wide enough to land on their head and die.
They'll get a shot. Hey, no one's ever clipped that last before.
Here's a broke for exit. All the right back. Very impressive for something relatively new. Give him a round of applause as he comes out here.
Call it what it's called, damn it.
They like him.
I know, they need a commentator who knows what they're talking about.
Hey, Spike.
One we can.
It's like Mike Adamley or something.
It's a double-footed jump. It's a little He's pulled off a nice little jump there.
Obviously, these guys get us Russia in this as well, otherwise they wouldn't be doing this sort of thing.
Pulled off a mid-air kick.
Let's see what he's going to try right now. Big left there.
That was the Bronco Buster.
Bringing those legs in again, and a pink landing once more from both of them. Came up that also, make sure the helmet's on tight. Handstand on the seat itself.
Do something new.
For the less experienced guy, that was most impressive. Right, Danny, let's see if you can top that one. You're the man with all the experience. Here he comes. Happy steering the bike with his feet. Right,
Dying in
Happy goes the legs up for right beside the handbrake from the
never
top.
remembers his
That's impressive.
What? When he dies, everyone will remember his
We'll get the forward off that 80 feet. Right, let's see what Danny...
The head already been getting gouged out.
Up he goes. Oh, 200 and that thing kicks the feet at the back. Here's Stuart once again. Oh, it just manages to get back quickly forward and knock this down. Come on then, boys, still a couple of jumps or thrillers just before our interval here in the main arena.
That was almost on here, Dad. That was an ambulance.
Oh, good. That's very impressive indeed. So, Stuart,
5 jumping jacks in midair.
Managing to get it back in position for the landing. What's he got planned now?
That's the only thing that guy can do.
You can do that.
I'm saying that's the only guy he can do it.
It's the only guy he can do it.
That's impressive as well. So we're coming back to the end of their display for us for the time being. They will be back a bit later on, just before our main event. Get those wheels back in line in time for touchdown once again. Very company, really solid landing there.
They're pretty much the scene of the bike.
What are they going to do later? I'm sure it's going to be the exact same stuff.
We're going to do more kicks than you've ever seen before.
That's why the wind conditions are so crucial. I'm sure.
You know.
Again, from the back of the bike, very, very impressive. Go on,
I saw them last time.
Round he comes again.
The new boy is showing up. The trainer.
Timing it absolutely perfectly.
The people become the teacher.
But he's certainly most impressive here. A couple of different angles there, managing to get him back on the level before he lands. And here comes Stuart. And they're all standing on the feet there. That's very, very good. We'll bring him in and see what